In this video, I'll be unboxing an iPad Pro case with the Smart Dock from Doqo. Tony here, we talk art and design tech. Consider subscribing. Let's just get this open. I probably need a box cutter because there's so much tape right here. And let's see if this box cutter can help. They ain't playing. They packaged this thing too good. Can I even open it? I ordered this iPad case from Doqo.com. It's super easy to find everything on their website. However, they don't have standard tracking, so my tracking information was put on an app called Shop. The Shop app, it basically tracks your order on your phone up until it arrives. This Doqo case took almost 4 weeks to arrive, and there wasn't many updates in the first 2 weeks on the Shop app. So if you're waiting for your order, it may take a while, but it will eventually arrive. I didn't think it was coming, honestly. Okay, back to the unboxing. This is probably the worst way to open this, but we're gonna get there. We are gonna get there. All right. Fairly normal looking box here. I'm so excited for this, like you guys have no idea. This is crazy because this looks just like what a Mac would be as far as unboxing. We'll put that to the side for now. Looks like you get a little bit of a manual, and then it looks like there is some type of manual, then a map of where all the ports are. All right, and that's it that's in the case. I don't see anything else. So let's get into this case. So it says Doqo on the top, and then on the bottom, it kind of resembles a Mac. You can see the hinge here. And then there are the ports you can see on the side. It's kind of hard to open, actually. It really reminds me of a Mac. Like, it feels like a Mac. It really does. Honestly, I thought it would feel a little bit cheaper, but it feels durable. The only thing that's kind of strange is when you close it, it's really good here. It's really good. And then bam, it just slams. Probably part of that is because it's all aluminum. The all aluminum body really makes it feel durable. And it looks like there is a glass screen protector that also comes with this. So that's really cool. For the price of $179.99 to get this case, all these ports, and a screen protector that's glass. Pretty cool. So you can see on the side the different ports. There's 4 on this side, and then there's 3 on this side, as well as a headphone jack on the side. One thing that I'm really excited about this case is that it protects your iPad completely. So I'm gonna add my 2018 iPad Pro to this. This particular case is compatible with the 2018 and the 2020 iPad Pros. So to install your iPad, what you're gonna wanna do is take it like this, and then there's a top area that's really nice. I'm so glad this is here. That holds the Apple Pencil. But before you secure it in, you wanna connect this USB-C. So I'm gonna pull it out a little bit. Plug that into the side, push it all the way in. Work my fingers around the side. And then there's these circles on the top corners that you can turn in to lock it into place. And your Apple Pencil's in there, your iPad is secured. Everything is good to go. Let's test out this keyboard. So I like to type in notes quite a bit. I'm gonna add a new note and see what this typing experience is like. Okay, so the typing wasn't too bad. It's doing what I need it to do. Visually, this looks really nice. Like, it's deceiving. It kind of looks like a Mac. It's really cool. at a glance, people are gonna think this is a Mac. You look at it a little bit longer, you can see these cutouts. They're not very apparent. They may look apparent in this video, but they really blend in really well. Like I'm not looking at, oh, there's a cutout. I'm not looking at that as much as I thought I would when I originally saw this product. The gestures on the touchpad are different. They have their own. I really want to check these function keys because this is something that is not actually available even on the Magic Keyboard. Okay, so from left to right, we have the home button. So if you have an app up currently, you can press that. It'll minimize it. Then you have your brightness button. So you can take the brightness up. You can take the brightness down. You also have a button that allows you to switch apps. So it brings up this menu and you can go through the different apps that you have open. Like that. There's also a virtual keyboard button right here. I'm not seeing anything coming up, but it's supposed to be a virtual keyboard. You have backwards, play, pause, and fast forward. Then you have some volume buttons here. So this is no sound. This is like sound back on, but take the sound down. This is sound up. Then you have a brightness buttons for your keyboard. So you can take the brightness all the way down so there's no backlight. And then you can take it all the way up here. To actually use these ports on the side, you have to press this button right here. And that powers your ports. So the first port I'm going to try is the power. That's powered without the ports working. And you can see it is on. Power works. Let's try the SD card. You have an SD card port on this side as well. And I'm gonna go to Files and see if it shows up. And you can see right there, you can see Untitled is my SD card. It has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. I'm gonna plug that in. And you can see the volume was going up a little bit there to indicate that it's on. And one other thing too, when I press the volume up, you can see the headphones. And then let's plug this in. So this is my external drive. I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, so I have my SSD attached and it says Extreme SSD. I'm going to now attach my SD card. It seems like it only allows you to connect one external device of storage at one time. So I had this in originally without the SSD and it worked, but I can't have them both in at the same time. But the headphone jacks work. The only thing is with this storage,